Hey guys, welcome back. This is the wet refresh that I posted about on my story a few days ago. I just got my hair cut, so I figured this was the perfect time to try out my new cut, refresh it, style it, get some nice curl up in there, and see how this new trim has really helped my volume, which it has. I had tons more layers added in, so if you guys want to see this refresh for midweek curls, keep on watching. Okay, so right now my hair is wet from the shower. I didn't wash it. I just ran some water through it to start fresh. And if your hair is tangly, you can run some conditioner through the ends, but it didn't need to be shampooed today, so I didn't overdo it. Just get it wet, soak it. I rinsed my head upside down and kept it upside down until I plopped it, just to lift all the hair off my scalp. And I'm gonna be doing this entire process with my head upside down. So the first product I'm grabbing is Innersence Organic Beauty I Create Volume. This is a very light gel as well as a curl clumper, and I'm applying it in a praying hands motion. Second, we're doing Bouncecurl Light Cream Gel, and over top of that, I'm going to layer the Devacurl B'leave in. All three of these products are very similar, but I like to use them together to add extra hold. They're very water soluble and lightweight. So praying hands and then scrunching upward is going to be the technique that we use to get the product in. And then I will diffuse with my head upside down. Okay, so you people are really going to laugh at me, but this is how I've been diffusing my hair because it is so fine that no matter what I do, it sticks to my scalp and it's flat as fuck. So I am upside down on my makeup chair. Allow me to share with you. This is what's happening. Okay, that's my ass in the air, and all the blood is rushing to my head. But I will diffuse my hair like this, because that is what gives it the best volume. So I'm just going to go like this. Let it sit for like 30 seconds to a minute on lowest heat. And that's how we're doing it. Throughout the drying process, I like to take Innersence I Create Finish, which is a hairspray, but it's also a curl enhancer. So if you spray it on your hair and then you add the diffuser to it, it really helps the curls spring up and gives them more shape. So I'll spray that lightly on my hair and then I'll go back over with the diffuser. And when I bring the diffuser back down, the curls will be so much stronger. Y'all about this crackhead. You're on a tripod right now because I can't get this off. Where's she at? Oh, she gone. Oh. Let me tell y'all, this freaking crackhead. Get off the thing. She walks her dog in my grass. Where you at? Look at her. Literally up in my grass with her cigarette. Girl, if you don't stop tripping, I'm gonna yell out this window at you. Look at her up in the neighbor's yard. He right there. This ain't the place. It is now dry where I want it. It's got a good crunchy cast to it. It's a little bit crazy and mullet-like looking now, but I still have to scrunch out the crunch and pick it out with my Spriggle just to mess it up a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is start... Ziggy, stop kicking at the door. There's a thunderstorm, and so Ziggy is not pleased. I'm gonna scrunch out the crunch on one side of my head so you guys can see the difference. And I'm taking my fingers and zhuzhing up the roots. No. So you can see the difference between left and right. Okay, now I'm gonna flip my head upside down, shake it up some more. This piece is a little bit functified, so I'm just gonna add, what do I wanna add? Add a little bit more hairspray. And since this hairspray is organic, it's not drying, the products in it are super clean, it's not bad for your hair at all like most hairsprays are. I'm gonna scrunch her up, encourage her to curl up a little bit. There we go. And then I'm gonna wiggle my diffuser in there. Ziggy! Ugh! He just shit it on the floor. Bad boy! I'm gonna clean this. What is this? What is this? I'm trying to make a video and he's shitting on the floor. Tell everybody how you shit it on the floor. You scared of the thunderstorm? You shaking? Okay. Just for fun, I'm gonna spriggle my roots. If you don't know about the Spriggle, I've mentioned it in my previous videos. It's a pick, but it's got fewer teeth. So this thing is amazing for anybody who's got wavy curly hair, but not kinky curly hair. So the difference, so here you've got a regular pick. You can see how many teeth it has. If I went through my curls with this, my hair would be straight pretty much. But this one, because it's got fewer teeth, is just enough to break up the clumps to give it some volume and lift up the roots. So all in all, that wet refresh took me, let me find out, 30 minutes. So I got in the shower, wet my hair entirely, plopped it in my t-shirt, added product, diffused it. So this is like your halfway through the week refresh. So wash your hair, the next couple days do a dry refresh or like a spray bottle, refresh with a spray bottle, and then halfway through the week in between washes, then you can do a totally wet refresh, so that way you bring it back to life and it looks freshly done, but it's not washed, so your hair is still keeping on to those essential oils that it needs for your curls to stay healthy. And that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and see you next time. I hate myself. I don't even know what to say. Bye.